We talk a lot about artificial intelligence and mechanical muscles, but if you talk to any facility manager deploying humanoid robots right now, their biggest complaint has absolutely nothing to do with the software. It is a fundamental bottleneck of physics. How long does the battery actually last? Today we are diving into the massive energy problem plaguing industrial humanoids. We will explore exactly why these machines are dying so fast and how the industry is solving it with autonomous hot swapping and the rapidly approaching solid-state battery revolution. Let us start with the harsh reality. Despite massive leaps in AI, most commercial humanoids right now only have a runtime of 2 to 4 hours. For example, the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 uses a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery system, which only yields about 2 hours of heavy dynamic movement. Walking on 2 legs while simultaneously powering a massive computer brain requires an incredible amount of energy. Current liquid lithium-ion batteries simply cannot hold enough power in a small enough package to last a full 8-hour factory shift. So, how are factories keeping these machines running continuously? The short-term solution is hot swappable batteries. Take the new UB Tech Walker S2, for example. It is the world's first industrial humanoid capable of physically swapping its own batteries. When it detects a low charge, it autonomously walks to a swap station, reaches around to its back, and pulls out the dead battery. Then it slides in a fresh one. The entire process takes under 3 minutes. And because it is hot swappable, it never even turns off its AI brain. Companies like Agility Robotics are using similar strategies with their Digit robot to ensure near 24/7 uptime. But battery swapping is just a mechanical band-aid. The real future is the solid-state battery revolution. According to 2026 data from TrendForce, humanoid robots are aggressively accelerating the demand for solid-state technology. Because robots have extreme space and weight constraints, they cannot use massive, heavy battery packs like an electric vehicle. They need extreme energy density squeezed into a tiny, irregular space. We are already seeing this transition happen right now at the Interbattery 2026 conference in South Korea. Battery giant Samsung SDI unveiled an all-solid-state pouch battery designed specifically for humanoid robots. By removing the liquid electrolyte, these batteries provide significantly higher energy density and ultimate fire safety for indoor environments. Samsung SDI is targeting mass production of these specific robot batteries by the second half of 2027. What does this mean for the future of your factory floor? Right now, early adopters like the Xpeng Iron Robot are pushing past 4 hours. But as these next-generation batteries scale and drop in price, experts project we will hit the holy grail of an 8-hour full-shift runtime. We expect to consistently see this by 2027 or 2028. We have solved the software problem, and we are rapidly perfecting the mechanical hardware. Now, the battery industry is racing to solve the stamina problem. The timeline to infinite uptime is much closer than people think. Are you comfortable deploying a robot that has to swap its own battery, or are you waiting for the solid-state revolution? Let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe to the channel for more data-driven updates on industrial automation.